In this lecture, we will learn about scales of measurement: nominal, ordinal, interval, and ratio. Measurement scales are fundamental in statistics because they define how variables are categorized, compared, and analyzed. The type of measurement scales used to determine the nature of data collected and the type of statistical operation that can be performed on that data. There are four levels of measurement: nominal, ordinal, interval, and ratio, each providing progressively more information and analytical possibilities. In this lecture, we will go in detail of these four levels of measurement. The nominal scale is the most basic level. It classifies data into distinct categories that are mutually exclusive and unordered. Examples: gender, blood type, or nationality. These values serve as labels and do not carry any inherent order or numerical meaning. On the same base, ordinal scale adds a sense of ranking or order to the data. While you can say one value is higher or lower than another, you can't quantify how much higher, but you can say the level, this is higher or this is lower. Common examples include customer satisfaction rating, class ranking. In ordinal scale, though we ordered the variables, but the interval between values are not equal or consistent. Now comes to the interval scale. Interval scale goes further by providing equal interval between values. Interval scale allows for a meaningful comparison of differences. However, it lacks a true 0 point. It makes ratio meaningless. A typical example is temperature in Celsius or Fahrenheit. The ratio scale is most informative and mathematically powerful. It includes all the properties of interval data and has true 0. Ratio scale enables the full range of mathematical operations. Example: height, weight, income, and age. So we can say that the measurement scale of your data ensures appropriate statistical methods for analyzing these data. Measurement scales leads to more accurate and valid conclusions.